Alright, so right now I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance light in this 2014 Nissan Rogue. Alright, we can do it when the car is running. Alright, car is running right now, okay? So as soon as you start the car, you see this message, and we're gonna go to settings with this. So like this. Alright, so we press this one right here, the square. Press it until you see settings. Okay, now right here you're gonna go to maintenance, press enter, go to oil filter, scroll down, reset, enter, reset, yes. Alright, that's how you reset. That's how you reset the oil life in this Nissan Rogue. Alright, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Take care. Bye.